How can a TRxA grant help academic researchers? Critical Path Institute's Translational Therapeutics Accelerator, or TRxA, focuses on translating early-stage novel therapeutics into investigational new drug, or IND, supporting data packages that garner interest among pharmaceutical companies for licensing opportunities. Projects eligible for TRxA collaboration include early lead optimization and IND-enabling studies using small molecule approaches. Biologicals, including peptides or antibodies, cell and gene therapy applications, and medical devices, are not eligible at this time, and neither are repurposing efforts. Funding awards are not limited to specific therapeutic areas, although initial preference will be given to small molecule approaches in areas where C-Path has generated specific drug development tools. These areas include, but are not limited to, infectious diseases, neuroscience, rare diseases, and pediatrics, among others. TRxA offers funding and support for 3 types of translational projects, ranging from early lead optimization to IND-enabling studies. These types include Stage 1, which covers early lead optimization to development of a late lead series, with total direct and indirect funding up to $250,000 for up to 12 months. Stage 2, late lead series to selection of clinical candidate, total direct and indirect funding, up to $500,000 for up to 12 months. Stage 3, candidate selection through IND-enabling studies, total direct and indirect funding up to $1 million for up to 12 months. TRxA accepts pre-proposals from investigators with faculty positions at academic institutions and nonprofit research institutions around the globe. Based on scientific review of these pre-proposals, a select number of investigators will be invited to submit a full proposal that will undergo a rigorous and confidential review process by TRxA's Scientific Advisory Committee. TRxA is made possible by Research Corporation Technology's Frederick Garner Cottrell Foundation, which provides financial support to scientific research and educational programs with nonprofits like C-Path. For more specific information about our project's entry and success criteria, eligibility criteria, and the application process, please visit our website at cpath.org/TRxA or contact us at trxa@cpath.org.